everybody. Today I will make a recipe requested by Francesca. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but I hope I am. I'm going to do this recipe which she requested me to do, and it's called GARANTITA, which it's popular in Algeria, but it originated from Spain. Really, I don't know much if it really originated from there, but from what I investigated, yeah, so far that's what they say. But I did not find the recipe, like, you know, in the Spanish word, which they say it's called calientita, which is the proper way, calientita. I couldn't find the recipe at all, so I hope it is originated from Spain. Otherwise, oh no. Okay, so let's begin. I have here 1 cup of chickpeas. I stopped buying the already made one, the flour. I know the Bob Mills, or how's it called? I forget the name. They sell the chickpea flour, but I rather make it myself. Just to be 100% sure that it is 100% chickpea flours. I will just blend it up until it turns into flour. Okay, so I will be back. Okay, so I blended it up. This is how it turned out, flour, right? So now I'm going to you can use a mixer, a stand mixer, or a blender, or just a whisk. But I'll just put it in here. And yes, I get many questions about if I wash the chickpeas. Did you wash the chickpeas? Yes, of course. 1 day before, in advance, you wash them and let them out to dry. You put them on a nice clean cloth and spread them and leave them there to dry. Simple as that. And cover it a bit. Okay, so this will carry eggs from what I've been told. This carries eggs. So for those who do not eat eggs, just use water, or I would add coconut milk, which is nice and creamy, or almond milk, whichever you decide to choose. It's your choice. Now this is just 1 cup of chickpea flour that I've used. It's almost similar like the one that I call cheese. I call it cheese because it has a nutritional yeast, that one, and the more you use, the more tastier it is. We're gonna do what is the dry ingredient first, so let's add cumin and pepper. This recipe reminds me of one that I love to make. It's sweet though. All right, so I'm going to add I grind my own cumin. I buy the whole, there it goes in there. You add as much as you like. I like cumin, so I don't mind if I put extra. Okay, and next I'm going to add is pepper. Just add some pepper. I grind it fresh, so there goes the pepper. All right, so there goes the basic ingredients. Let me just give it a mix. Okay, so what I was saying, and I totally forgot to finish what I was saying. This reminds me of a recipe I like to make. This is almost similar like a flan. I don't know. What I do is put sweetener. I use stevia and the drops, and I also use the non-alcoholic flavor drops as well. And you can make this with coconut flavor. You can make it with vanilla flavor or other flavors. There's many of them, and I enjoy making this sweet as well, like a dessert. This reminds me so much of that. So I'm just gonna add 2 eggs in here. We're gonna add some water in there. Let's not forget the salt. Salt to taste. I just put in like a teaspoon of salt. Basically, that's about it. And then they add milk. I'm just gonna add water and milk. So both of them. I'm gonna use just almond milk, plain almond milk, mixed with some coconut. I like to mix my milk, so it's like a mixture, you know. I'm gonna add just 1 cup of coconut milk mixed with almond milk, so it's 1 cup. So half a cup of coconut, half a cup of almond milk mixed. Let's add that. Okay, and I'm going to add, so that was 1 cup, so I'm gonna add 2 cups of water. 2 cups of water, and we will blend this up until it's smooth. Okay, it has to be nice and smooth and liquidy. I'll be back once it's blended. Alright, so I'll blend it up. So now you're gonna have a couple molds ready, greased up. Okay, some people say you don't need to grease it up. I don't know. Should I? I'm not even sure. But just in case, I will. I have some olive oil, so I'll just quickly give it a spray. Okay, so in it goes. Like I said, this I've done this before as sweet. That's an idea for you if you wish to do something different. There's some in there that I want everything to go. You can do it sweet and savory instead. You can use anise seeds to blend it together, and pimento seeds, cloves, the same way you did it, but in a sweet way. This reminds me so much of that recipe that I make, which I have not shared with you, I know. So this will go in the oven for 1 hour at 400 Fahrenheit until it's nice and golden on top, and I will be back. The thing is, I have not uploaded that sweet and savory one that I've done because I cannot come up with names. So if you are listening and you would like me to upload that recipe, the sweet and savory one, comment below and give me some ideas on what to call it. Because these are things I come up with and then I don't know what to call it, right? I make it sweet and savory. I don't know if you know about, there's these bottles that it's called skinny syrups, and I use that also to flavor. There's peaches, there's pineapple, so I use it and it will give such a beautiful flavor. So comment below, give me an idea to use a title for the next video if you want me to upload that sweet and savory one. Okay? Okay, so here is the results. It looks like an actual flan, as you can see. All right, so we're going to cut this. I'm just gonna slice like that. From what I understand, they eat this with the baguettes, the buns. They just put it in the middle of the bun and they just eat it with it. So I'm going to try to take it out. I should let this cool down first, but since many of you tell me that you want me to slice it immediately. Alright, so I'm just gonna put it in the plate like that, and that's how it looks like. Yeah, as simple as that. It looks really tasty to me. Let me just nibble a little touch from the spatula because I want to take a picture of it. It's pretty good actually. It's just more softer than the firm one that I've done, which that's different style, but this is called the GARANTITA. Anyway, my friends, I hope you like this recipe, and let me know in the comments below if you want me to do the sweet and savory one, which is basically almost the same, just doing just an exchange of, instead of salt, sweet, right? But if you want me to prepare one for you, let me know in the comments, and also help me out to put a title on that recipe, because I just come up with those inventions and I don't know what to call it really. I hope you try it out, share the video, thumbs up, and I hope to see you again in the next video. If you're new, subscribe. And don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I appreciate you all, and if I don't see you after Christmas, I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Happy holidays, everybody. I hope you enjoy your New Year's with all your loved ones. Family is important. So I hope you all the best, and may all your wishes come through. Happy holidays. Bye.